10 animals who can use tools. New Caledonian Crow. Native to the South Pacific island of New Caledonia, these crows are considered some of the most intelligent birds on Earth. They are known for shaping twigs and leaves into hooks to extract insects from tree bark. Scientists first became deeply interested in their abilities in the late 1990s, when field observations showed consistent tool crafting in the wild. Later laboratory experiments confirmed they could solve multi-step puzzles and even use one tool to obtain another. Some crows also adjust the shape of their tools depending on the task, suggesting a level of planning once thought to exist mainly in humans and great apes. Their behavior continues to challenge what researchers thought was possible in bird intelligence. Sea otter. Found along the coasts of the North Pacific Ocean, sea otters are one of the few marine mammals known to regularly use tools. They place rocks on their chests and use them as anvils to crack open shellfish. Researchers studying wild otters discovered that many individuals carry preferred stones in loose skin folds under their forearms. This behavior was also noted by indigenous coastal communities long before formal scientific study. Modern research shows that younger otters learn this skill by observing older individuals. Over time, they become more efficient at selecting the right stone for different prey, showing how tool use can improve with experience. Chimpanzee. Native to the forests and savannas of Africa, chimpanzees are humanity's closest living relatives. They use sticks to extract termites from mounds and stones to crack open nuts. This behavior became widely known through Jane Goodall's observations in the 1960s, which changed how scientists viewed animal intelligence. Before her work, humans were believed to be the only tool users. Different chimpanzee groups also have distinct tool traditions, such as using leaf sponges to drink water or specialized sticks for hunting insects. These variations show that tool use can spread socially, almost like traditions passed through generations. Bottlenose dolphin. Found in oceans around the world, bottlenose dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals. In some regions, particularly Shark Bay in Australia, they use marine sponges as protective tools while foraging on the seafloor. The sponge fits over their snout, protecting them from sharp rocks and hidden organisms. Scientists discovered this behavior in the late 20th century and later confirmed it is taught from mother to offspring. Interestingly, not all dolphin populations use this technique, showing it is a learned cultural behavior rather than a universal instinct. This kind of regional behavior reveals just how adaptable dolphin intelligence can be. Woodpecker Finch. Native to the Galapagos Islands, the woodpecker finch is known for its unusual feeding strategy. It uses cactus spines, twigs, or small sticks to extract insects from tree bark and narrow crevices. Scientists studying the Galapagos in the 1960s documented this behavior as part of Darwin-inspired research on evolution. In some cases, the finch even modifies the shape of its tools to improve efficiency. This adaptation is especially important because the island environment offers limited food sources. Its survival depends heavily on how effectively it can turn simple objects into feeding tools. Egyptian vulture. Found across parts of Africa, Europe, and Asia, the Egyptian vulture is one of the few birds known to use tools in the wild. It famously throws stones at large eggs, such as those of ostriches, to break them open. This behavior was first observed in the early 20th century and later confirmed through repeated field studies. The bird carefully selects appropriately sized stones and may strike multiple times until the shell cracks. Researchers believe this behavior requires both precision and problem-solving skills. Observations suggest that younger vultures gradually refine the technique as they gain experience. Octopus. Found in oceans worldwide, octopuses are among the most intelligent invertebrates. They are known for collecting coconut shells, rocks, and other objects from the sea floor. In some species, these materials are used to build portable shelters that can be carried and assembled when needed. This behavior was first documented in the early 2000s and surprised scientists due to its complexity. Octopuses also demonstrate problem-solving abilities in laboratory experiments, often escaping enclosures or manipulating objects in unexpected ways. Their behavior shows that advanced intelligence can evolve in forms very different from mammals or birds. Archerfish. Native to mangroves and shallow waters in Southeast Asia and Australia, archerfish are skilled aquatic hunters. They shoot precise jets of water at insects resting above the surface, knocking them into the water where they are eaten. Scientists studying their behavior in the mid-20th century discovered that they adjust the strength and angle of the water stream based on distance and prey size. This makes the water jet a functional biological tool. Young archerfish learn by observing adults and gradually improve accuracy over time. Their hunting method demonstrates how even physical abilities can function like tools in nature. Rook. Native to Europe and parts of Asia, rooks are members of the crow family known for their intelligence. They have been observed bending wires into hooks to retrieve food from containers in laboratory experiments. Researchers began studying their cognitive abilities more closely in the early 2000s, revealing strong problem-solving skills. Some rooks can complete multi-step puzzles without prior training, showing flexible thinking. Their ability to modify objects for specific goals places them among the most capable problem solvers in the bird world. Green heron. Found throughout North and Central America, the green heron is one of the few bird species known to use bait while hunting. It drops insects, feathers, or small objects onto the water's surface to attract fish. When the fish approach, the heron strikes with fast precision. This behavior was first documented in the mid-20th century and later confirmed across multiple populations. Scientists believe it shows an understanding of how actions influence outcomes, allowing the bird to strategically manipulate its environment while hunting.